Bulbul.
Red and round. B for ball, we bounce it on the ground.
Heron.
C for cat, so soft and sweet. D for dog,
Crow.
paws and feet. E for elephant, big and strong.
Cuckoo.
F for fish, swimming all day long. G for guitar,
Pigeon.
strumming a tune. H for hat, under the moon.
Duck.
A, B, C, come sing with me. 1, 2, 3.
Eagle.
It's easy as can be. Join along in this happy song.
Emu.
A, B, C, you'll never go wrong. I for igloo, cold and bright.
Flamingo.
J for jacket, keeps you warm at night. K for kite,
Goldfinch.
flying up high. L for lion with a mighty cry.
Gulls.
M for moon up in the sky.
Hen.
For nest where little birds fly. O for
Laughing dove.
sea. P for pencil, write a story.
Hummingbird.
Q for quilt, cozy.
Kingfisher.
R for rainbow after the storm.
Kiwi.
For star, twinkling light. T for train,
Myna.
through the night.
Ostrich. Owl. Parrot.
A, B, C, come sing with me.
Peacock.
1, 2, 3, it's easy as can be. Join along.
Waterfowl.
Happy song. A, B, C, you'll never go wrong.
Sparrow.
U for umbrella, keep the nuts dry.
Swan.
V for violin, playing nearby.
Vulture.
W for whale swimming in the sea.
Woodpecker.
X for xylophone, come play.
Bea.
Y for yak, so big and
Bulbul.
Z for zebra, we sing along.
Heron.
We know our letters, can you
Crow.
see? Come sing the alphabet with me.
Cuckoo.
A for apple, red and
Pigeon.
brown. B for balloon
Duck.
lifting off the ground.
Eagle.
For cat, so soft and sweet.
Emu.
D for drums with a steady beat.
Flamingo.
Y for yak,
Goldfinch.
big and strong.
Gulls.
Z for zebra, we sing along.
Hen.
We know our
Laughing dove.
when you see, come sing the alphabet.
Hummingbird.
E for
Kingfisher.
trumpeting loud.
Kiwi.
For fish swimming in the crowd.
Myna.
For guitar strumming the tune.
Ostrich.
H for
Owl.
under the moon.
Parrot.
I for igloo, chilly and cold.
Peacock.
J for jelly.
Waterfowl.
playful.
Sparrow.
For kite flying high in the sky.
Swan.
A lion with a powerful cry. Y
Vulture.
for so big and strong.
Woodpecker.
For zebra, we sing along.
Bea.
We know our letters. Can you see? A for apple, red and round. B for ball, we bounce
Ant.
it on the ground. C for cat,
Bear.
so soft and sweet. D for dog, with
Buffalo.
paws and feet. E for elephant,
Camel.
big and strong. F for fish, swimming
Cat.
all day long. G for guitar,
Leopard.
strumming a tune. H for hat,
Chimpanzee.
moon.
Cow.
B, C, come sing with me.
Deer.
1, 2, 3, it's easy.
Dog.
Join along
Donkey.
in this happy song.
Elephant.
A, B, C, you'll never go
Fox.
wrong. I for igloo, cold and
Giraffe.
bright. J for jacket, keeps you
Goat.
warm at night. K for
Gorilla.
flying up high.
Hippopotamus.
F for lion with a mighty cry.
Horse.
M for moon up in the
Hyena.
sky. N for nest,
Kangaroo.
little birds fly.
Leopard.
For octopus in the sea.
Lion.
P for pencil, write a story.
Monkey.
Q for quilt,
Ox.
cozy and warm. R for
Penguin.
rainbow after storm.
Pig.
S for star.
Shahudi.
Twinkling light. T for train rolling
Puma.
through the night.
Rabbit. Rat. Reindeer. Rhino. Sheep. Snake.
ABC, come sing with me.
Squirrel.
1, 2, 3, it's easy as can be.
Tiger.
Join along in this happy
Wolf.
song. ABC,
Yak.
you'll never go wrong.
Zebra.
U for umbrella,
Ant.
and us dry.
Bear.
V for violin playing your
Buffalo. Camel.
W for whale swimming in the sea.
Cat. Leopard.
X for xylophone, come play.
Chimpanzee.
Y
Cow.
for yak, so big and
Deer.
strong. Z
Dog.
for zebra, we sing along.
Donkey.
We know our
Elephant.
letters, can you
Fox.
come sing?
Giraffe.
Alphabet with me.
Goat.
A for
Gorilla.
round.
Hippopotamus.
B for balloon, rolling
Horse.
off the ground.
Hyena.
C for cat, so
Kangaroo.
sweet.
Leopard.
D for drums with a steady beat.
Lion.
Y
Monkey.
for yak, so big and
Ox.
strong. Z
Penguin.
for zebra, we sing along.
Pig.
We know our
Shahudi.
letters, can you see? Come
Puma.
the alphabet with me.
Rabbit.
E for
Rat.
elephant, trumpeting loud.
Reindeer.
F for
Rhino.
in the crowd.
Sheep.
G for guitar,
Snake.
singing tune.
Squirrel.
For hat under the moon.
Tiger.
I for igloo,
Wolf.
chilly and cold.
Yak.
J for jelly, any color you fold.
Zebra.
K for kite, flying high in the sky. L for lion with a powerful cry. I for yak, so big and strong.
Apple.
Z for
Apricot.
zebra, we sing along.
Banana.
Know our letters, can you see?
Blackberry.
Come sing the alphabet.
Cherry. Custard apple. Grapes. Guava. Jackfruit. Java plum. Kiwi.
A for apple.
Lemon.
And round. B for ball.
Mango.
Bounce it on the ground. C for cat. So
Muskmelon.
soft and sweet. D for dog.
Orange.
Paws and feet. E for elephant.
Papaya.
Big and strong. S for fish.
Pineapple.
All day long. G for
Plum.
guitar, strumming a tune.
Pomegranate.
Under the
Pear.
A, B, C,
Taxes.
sing with me. 1, 2, 3.
Sapodilla.
As can be.
Strawberry.
Join along in this happy song.
Tamarind.
A, B, C, you'll never go wrong.
Watermelon.
I for igloo, cold and bright.
Apple.
J for jacket, keeps you
Apricot.
warm at night. K for kite,
Banana.
flying up high. L
Blackberry.
for lion with a mighty cry.
Cherry.
M for moon up in
Custard
the
apple.
sky. N for nest
Grapes.
where little birds fly. O for
Guava.
octopus in the sea.
Jackfruit.
P for pencil, rise
Java plum.
slowly.
Kiwi.
For quilt, cozy and
Lemon.
warm, R for rainbow at the
Mango.
store.
Muskmelon.
For star,
Orange.
twinkling light, T for train rolling
Papaya.
through the night.
Pineapple. Plum. Pomegranate. Pear. Taxes. Sapodilla. Strawberry.
ABC,
Tamarind.
come sing with me.
Watermelon.
1, 2, 3,
Apple.
it's easy as can be. Join along this happy song. ABC, you'll never go wrong.